Imagine a technology that revolutionizes the way you clean your home. The Dreame L10s Ultra is not just a robot vacuum. It is your ultimate cleaning partner, designed to free you from the burdens of household chores. With its sleek white design, it fits perfectly into any modern interior, promising not only to clean but also to enhance your living space. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers, and order yours today. This robot vacuum is ideal for those looking for a hassle-free cleaning solution, capable of managing large spaces with pets or heavy foot traffic, and requiring mastery of their home to keep it impeccably clean without dedicating time to it. Perfect for busy families, animal lovers, and technology enthusiasts who appreciate automation and efficiency. The heart of this technological marvel beats with an impressive suction power of 5300 PA, capable of capturing even the finest dust particles and stubborn pet hair. This power is complemented by a robust 5200 mAh battery, providing up to 220 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, easily covering large areas of up to 200 mAh, ensuring that every corner of your home receives the attention it deserves. But the Dreame L10s Ultra goes far beyond simple suction. Its self-cleaning base is a revolution, eliminating the need for manual handling of the dustbin for up to 60 days thanks to its 3-liter bag. This means less time spent on cleaning and more time for you and your loved ones. And after cleaning your floors, the robot doesn't stop there. It washes and dries its mops with an efficiency that is unmatched, ensuring a hygienic clean from start to finish. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers. Intelligence is at the heart of the Dreame L10s Ultra with AI, 3D navigation that allows it to detect obstacles with precision, avoiding collisions and falls. This is made possible by a combination of RGB cameras and textured 3D lights, which not only map your home for complete coverage, but also adapt its cleaning strategies for optimal results on different types of flooring. Whether it's hard floors, parquet carpets, or PVC, the Dreame L10s Ultra automatically adjusts its cleaning mode to ensure that each surface is treated with the utmost care. Customization is another cornerstone of the experience with this robot vacuum. Thanks to the Dreame Home app, you have complete control, allowing you to schedule, customize, and monitor cleaning from anywhere. And for even greater convenience, the robot is compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, allowing you to start, pause, or adjust the cleaning with simple voice commands. The Dreame Pack includes everything you need to get started. First of all, the robot comes with its self-cleaning charging station, side brushes for deep cleaning along walls, mops with a holder, and a user manual to guide you through all the features. With a simple setup and an intuitive user interface, setting up your Dreame is a breeze, allowing you to enjoy a cleaner home faster and more easily than ever before. So, don't miss the opportunity to click the link in the description to order it now and revolutionize your daily life. By choosing the Dreame L10s Ultra, you are opting for a cleaning solution that combines power, intelligence, and convenience. It's not just about keeping your home clean, it's about transforming the way you experience cleaning, making it more efficient, smarter, and above all, effortless. Now let's summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, automated and thorough cleaning. Powerful suction capacity and a fully automated mopping, cleaning, and drying system, allowing for minimal user maintenance. Advantage number 2, smart waste management. Automatic emptying into a 3-liter bag, reducing the frequency of manual emptying. Advantage number 3, high autonomy. Up to 220 minutes of autonomy, ideal for large homes. Advantage number 4, advanced navigation. Use of AI, 3D technology for precise navigation and adaptation to different home environments. Advantage number 5, easy control. Compatible with mobile apps and voice assistants for easy scheduling and control. Advantage number 6, cleaning versatility. Effective on various types of flooring, including carpets and hard floors, with automatic adjustment of suction power. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, maintenance of accessories. Although minimal, maintenance of the brushes and replacement of the dust bags may be necessary. Disadvantage number 2, size of the charging base. The self-cleaning base station can be relatively bulky, requiring a dedicated space. So, don't wait any longer to transform your cleaning routine. Click the link in the description to order your Dreame L10s Ultra at the best price. Discover more information and read the reviews of hundreds of satisfied customers. Take the first step towards a cleaner and more welcoming home today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.